In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website in Systeme, IO 2026. First, open your browser and head over to systeme.io, then sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a clean menu that helps you manage everything from funnels to emails. For building a full website, look for the Site section in the left-hand navigation. Click that, and then choose Websites. This takes you to the area where all your websites will live. In the top right corner, click Create. A setup window will appear where you'll add the core details for your new site. Start by typing a website name. This can be your brand name or a clear project title. It helps you stay organized internally and may be shown in some interfaces, so keep it concise and professional. Next, select the domain name from the dropdown. If you're using a default subdomain provided by the platform, pick it here. If you already connected a custom domain in your account settings, it will appear in this list as well. Choose the one you want your website to use. For the homepage URL path, enter the slug you want for your homepage. Many people simply use home or welcome. Keep it short, lowercase, and without spaces or special characters. This path defines how your main page will be accessed, so pick something simple and memorable. Now select your preferred language. This sets the default language for system-generated elements and can influence templates and SEO basics. Choose the language your primary audience speaks. Click Save to create the website with these settings. After saving, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Browse the options and preview any design that catches your eye. Look for a layout that matches your goals, whether it's a simple single-page site or a multi-section design with room for services, testimonials, and contact information. Remember, all content and images can be customized later, so focus on structure and style more than the placeholder text or stock photos. Once you've found the template you want, select it and click Save again. The platform will apply your choices and set up the initial pages for you. That's it. You've created a website in Systeme.io, complete with a name, domain selection, a clear homepage path, your default language, and a template to build on. From here, you can open the editor to customize your pages, update your branding, and add content. When you're ready, publish and share your new site with the world.